What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best pitcher water filters in 2022 you can buy right now. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1, Brita 5-Cup Metro Water Filter Pitcher. For many pitchers, it's the filter, not the size, that matters, since most widely available water filter companies sell standard filters that fit a number of devices. Smaller pitchers work in the same way as larger ones, but with a smaller footprint. Brita's 6-Cup Metro pitcher is great for people who live alone or want to keep filtered water somewhere convenient, like a bedside or desktop. Like all pitchers that use a standard Brita filter, this is NSF/ANSI 42 certified to reduce aesthetic contaminants and odor, like chlorine, as well as NSF/ANSI 53 certified to reduce 3 substances that can have adverse health effects: cadmium, copper, and mercury. If you want reduction of other substances, the Brita Longlast filter can also be used, a more expensive model that's WQA certified to reduce lead, asbestos, and other substances in addition to mercury. With its advanced filtration system, this water pitcher is proven to eliminate several metals from water including chlorine, lead, copper, mercury, benzene, cadmium, asbestos, and so on. It also does taste and odor adjustments for chlorine. The Legacy and Longlast water pitchers allow the filter to last for 2 and 6 months, respectively, before it needs replacement. Number 2, Brita Standard Everyday Water Filter Pitcher. The Brita Standard Everyday Water Filter Pitcher is excellent for the average user, with an adequate size that holds either 10 cups of water or the equivalent of 3 24-ounce reusable water bottles. Using advanced filter technology, its design is certified to remove a number of different contaminants, including copper, mercury, and cadmium. It also makes any necessary chlorine adjustments to improve both taste and smell. However, its removal process is far more limited than other pitchers, like the Ultramax, which contains an advanced water filter. Still, the Everyday Water Filter Pitcher is a lightweight and extremely space-efficient water filter pitcher that incorporates an easy fill lid for simple refills. A helpful sticker indicator also quickly shows you when a refill is needed. It uses a standard filter, which has a life of approximately 2 months before a replacement filter is needed. This water pitcher is proven to eliminate several metals from water including chlorine, lead, copper, mercury, benzene, cadmium, asbestos, and so on. The Legacy and Longlast water pitchers allow the filter to last for 2 and 6 months, respectively, before it needs replacement. Pros: excellent for chlorine. Flip-top lid for refilling. Lightweight design. Extremely easy to clean. Cons: struggles to remove lead. Number 3, Brita 18-Cup Ultramax Water Dispenser. The Brita 18-Cup Ultramax Water Dispenser is an oversized water filter pitcher designed for big families and large groups. It is large enough to hold 18 cups of water, that is equal to about 6 24-ounce water bottles, making this pitcher especially convenient for after-school practices and morning runs. Brita estimates that you can reduce your use of plastic water bottles by 1,800 bottles each year by using its water filter dispenser. In addition to BPA-free materials, Brita adds convenient bonus features like its precision pour spigot and easy locking lid. Despite its enormous capacity, the space-efficient design is still compact enough to fit on a refrigerator shelf. Brita's 18-Cup Ultramax Water Dispenser tackles certain minerals in your water, including chlorine, to perfect both your water's taste and odor. The water filter also removes any mercury, copper, zinc, and cadmium that may be lurking in your water supply. While compatible with a standard filter, the Longlast Plus filter lasts approximately 6 months before a replacement is needed. It is 3 times longer than the life of a standard filter. Pros: Longlast filter technology. Excellent filtration system. Durable build. BPA-free materials. Cons: limited lifespan. Some leaking issues. Number 4, ZeroWater 10-Cup 5-Stage Water Filter Pitcher. ZeroWater's innovative 2-in-1 pitcher allows you to pour out of the spout, or it can dispense water while sitting on the counter with the push-button spigot at the bottom of the pitcher. The ZeroWater 5-stage system comes with a total dissolved solids (TDS) meter, which tells you the number of dissolved salts and minerals present in the water, such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, sulfate, and more. In our lab tests, the meter read instantaneously. Plus, it filters out 5 chemical contaminants, including chlorine, heavy metals, and PFOA and PFOS disruptors. According to our verified review of third-party test data, it also makes it easy to gauge when to change your filter. Just stick it in the filtered water and read the meter. Zero advises changing the filter to a TDS reading of 006. Though this is a personal preference, as some prefer more TDS in their water while others prefer less, it comes in a 10 cup or 12 cup option. One downside, however, is that it offers a higher yearly cost to replace the filters. However, for those looking for a filter that removes a plethora of contaminants for a reasonable price, the ZeroWater pitcher is a good option. Number 5. Brita Longlast Everyday Water Filter Pitcher. Brita is one of the most well-known water filter brands, so it's no surprise their Longlast Plus water filter pitcher also performed a stellar job in our testing and filters over 30 contaminants. We found it removes chlorine to improve the taste as well as other chemicals such as heavy metals, carcinogens, pharmaceuticals, endocrine disruptors, and more. According to our review of third-party lab test data, not only did it impress as our best overall pick, but it also doubles as our best value pick. Thanks to both its low upfront and low yearly filter replacement cost, it was one of the fastest filters in our tests, coming in at 38 seconds per cup of water, and according to Brita, the filter lasts about 6 months before you need to change it. The pitcher can hold 10 cups of water, and the Longlast Plus filters have been upgraded from the standard filters. Not only do these filters last longer, but they also filter out lead and don't leave behind any black carbon particle specks in the water. A common complaint with the standard Brita filters, take note, if you tip the pitcher too much to get the last drop of water out, we found the filter comes out, so you'll have to take care when pouring.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.